Hello.
Hi. Hello. Okay, so we are going to make some of them right now. Okay, so we are going to try to just to identify some numbers, okay? So I'm going to write several numbers just to remember, just to review the place value chart. Okay, remember place value chart. Okay, so we were working.
In the notebook.
No. Did I say right?
No.
Exactly.
And we don't speaker.
Listen to me. So I'm gonna write those numbers like just give me a second. Then I'm going to show you that I'm going to ask you to tell me which number has okay, now I'm going to select some numbers. Don't tell me yet. Uh.
Miss, I have a question. Miss, Wednesday we didn't are going to have classes.
What?
And Wednesday we're going to have classes.
No, because it is Independence Day. It's a.
But I have another question. And we are going to repeat the classes in
On Friday, no, because
Friday?
it's Teacher's Day. It's my day. Okay, so we are not going to have classes. Okay, so, okay, guys, let's identify each number. It has a number that is highlighted or, you know, over there is in a rectangle. Can you tell me, according to the place value, what is the number or where this number belongs? Over there we had 8,596. What is the value of 5 in this case?
100.
It is?
Hundreds.
Hundreds. Yes, it is hundreds. Okay. The next.
Miss, what is the page?
We don't have to copy.
We don't have to copy, Rose. Review. It's only review.
Pay attention. Pay attention, please. Lin May, what is the value of 5 in the next number?
1.
Okay, remember to raise your hands to participate, people. Wow. Joseph,
Hundreds.
Hundreds. Okay, Andrea.
Miss, I think that it's 1.
Yes, it is.
And Miss, we don't have classes in the Thursday, yesterday, but we have to. Miss, can I tell
Okay,
you
okay, baby. Okay, give me a second. I'm going to answer that what you're asking me at the end of the class. Okay, we are going to continue with the topic. Okay, I'm going to. I know what you are asking to me. Okay, don't worry. I'm going to tell you what we're gonna do. So 890. What is the value, Lipsy, of 9?
100.
Value of 9.
Um, One,
No, it is no ones. Loudon.
1,000,
No.
Miss, I know.
Joseph.
Miss. Tens. Tens.
Tens. Okay. So
tens.
tens. Okay. Sophia, what is the value of 2?
The value of 2. mm, The value of 2 is
Remember the place value chart.
the value of 2.
Miss.
Tens.
No, it's not tens.
Miss.
Dana.
Hundreds.
No.
Miss, I know it's thousands.
Yes, it's 1,000. 1,000. Okay.
The first number that is 1,000.
The first number is 1,000. You had to count the digits. If you only had 1 digit, it means ones. 2 digits, tens. 3 digits, 100. 4 digits, 1,000. More than 5, okay, digits or 6 digits. So then we had 1,000 and then 100,000. Okay, so right now, people, you need to open your book, okay, math book, go back to your book right now, and we're gonna start the topic that say a place value, a model place value relationship. So we are going to learning to read and write. We're gonna learn to read and write numbers, okay? Read and write numbers.
In third grade, we do these
Okay.
big numbers.
Okay, read and write numbers, but in first grade you were doing short numbers, but this one we're going to do bigger numbers, okay? So over there, just give me a second. Okay, people, just put your hand down over there because, okay. So over there, if we go, today we're gonna try to work in the page number. Do you have a question, Laura? No? Okay. We are going to try to work in the page number 9, okay? So over there we have, how can you read and write numbers through 100,000? So maybe in first grade, you learn to read from 1 to 10 or from 1 to 100. But in this case,
No.
we are going to learn to read for 100,000. So I told you, there are gonna be bigger numbers. There are gonna be a big quantity, okay? So let me see, Diego, help me to read the unlock problem in here.
Okay. The International Space Station uses 2062 and 4.
You see, we are going to learn to read those numbers. It's 262,400 solar cells.
To change sunlight to electricity.
So over there, it means that we are going to learn to write these, we're going to learn to write this number in a standard form, in a word form and expanded form. There are 3 ways that we are going to learn to write. It is important that you learn that 3 ways. So over there, if you see in the place value chart, each group of 3 digits is separated by a comma. Did you see that? We have 262, 400, right? So this is called a period. Each period has hundreds, tens, and ones. The greatest place value position in the thousands periods is the 100,000. So over there, right in the place value chart below. Okay, so Dana, what number should go in the first? And this one. Remember that we need to write this number. Dana? We need to write this one, Dana. What number should go in the first?
Two 15 to 14.
But according to 252 and 400, what number should go there? I only need to write one number over there.
252.
No. Lin May?
The first is on ones, the first zero.
The first zero. Okay. Elena, what is the next number that I had to write?
Zero.
Very good, Elena.
Ponga atención, eso no te enojes, estoy diciendo que pongas atención para que sepas.
Microphones, people, microphones. So,
Dana.
okay, Dana, next time, I'm going to give you another opportunity, beautiful, so you can do it. What is the number that should go in the hundreds? Dana? You can do it, beautiful. You can do it, baby.
In the hundreds.
What number should go there?
10.
We had 0, 0, and what is the next number according to this?
4.
Excellent, 4. So you see, we can make mistakes, okay? We can make mistakes, beauty, excellent. So Diego, what is the next number that we should go in the thousands that is part of the ones? You need to pay attention.
It's very easy,
It's very
easy.
So let's help to Diego, people. What is the number that it goes?
The two. One.
And what is the next number, people?
Six.
Excellent, excellent. So the number it says, you see, 62,400, okay? That is a number that we have to write over there. Always remember, even though we had 100,000, all of them have 100 tens and 1, 100 tens and 1. So in this number, we had 3 different ways to write it. The standard form is when we use these numbers and we use a comma between these 2 numbers. The word form is in the way that we use words, like you see, 262,400. Okay.
Yes,
yeah.
that word is very confused.
Yes, it's because we need to start with the digit that we had 100, that is 200, and then we had 1,000, right? 62,000, and then we had 400, right? So in the expanded form, we need to write it into words, but using a complete number, that the quantity that they represent, the amount, like 200, you see, plus 60,000 plus 2,000 plus 400. That's what we had to write it. These are the three ways. A standard form is when we write the numbers, when we write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or 20 or 100. That is a standard form. Word form, you need to write into words. An expanded form is that you use the whole numbers like 200, 60,000, 2,000, and 400, right? So let's try this one. I want to see if you can do that. Can you read the, let me see, Dariel, this number, the word form. Can you read the word form, Dariel, for me? This one. Can you read?
92,117.
Aha, what is the number that we need to write over there? Do you know? Do you have an idea?
Those numbers that is down.
But what, how can I write it into, let me see, Sebastian or Abigail, can you write it in here? How can you write it into numbers? Uh-huh.
92,000 1,170.
92, don't forget the comma. Uh-huh, 92. What else? I'm going to help you with a comma. It's missing a comma over there. 92. What is missing? Uh-huh. 92. Exactly, Sebastian and Abigail. We are gonna write 92,170. So in the expanded form, Joseph, what number is missing in here? That we had 90 plus 2,000 plus? Joseph, what number is missing over there? Excellent, Joseph. Is missing 100. Okay, so Dariel, can you read this number into the standard form? What number is this one?
2007.
2007?
I don't know to say it.
Okay, we are learning. That's why we're learning to do that. Joseph, do you know how to read it? No? Well, Jose maybe? Or Diego? Or Darwin?
200,007.
I say it again?
200,007.
Excellent. Is 200,007. So it means that we're gonna write in here 1,000. Everybody writing that? And 7. What is this pounded form in here? What number is missing in here? Maybe Daniel, Lauren? What number is missing over there?
2.
Only the 2.
No, 200.
200.
200.
200. Are you sure? Lian, Camila, Jose Andres? Uh-huh.
The 2000.
2000. Are you sure? Look the word form. What did it say the word form?
1007.
1,000.
Are you sure that only say 2007?
1007.
No,
2007.
no.
200.
Another
zero. 200,007.
200,000. That is what I had to write. 200,000 plus 7. Okay. That's what you had to write. 200,007. That is in the way. Okay, when I said to you guys, according to the standard form, according to the word form, okay? So it is like, I'm going to show you. Remember that in here we had different kind of, okay. So over there say word form. It means that I'm going to write into word. I have a standard form. Standard form is the one that we write into numbers. And the expanded, it is like we make a kind of addition, okay? It is a kind of addition over there. So pay attention to me. Jose Andres, you're gonna help me to read this one. So that is a standard form when I write the numbers. Jose Andres, how do you say that?
2,000.
Jose Andres.
500.
No.
The word form.
No,
Jose Andres.
I think that
Uh-huh.
is
Uh-huh.
mm,
Dariel, how do you read this number?
La casa la había dejado.
2,000. 500.
Say it again.
2,500.
2,500, yes. You
What?
see? 2,500 people. Okay. What is the expanded form? What I had to write over there? Elena, Lian, Daniel, Darwin. Here, Adrian, what is my expanded form? Remember that expanded form is like,
Write this in the book or in the note.
It's an
We don't
example.
have to write. We don't have to write.
Example.
I think what is 2,000.
Microphone over there. So I am asking to you to pay attention, people. I didn't say it right. I'm trying to explain in a different way.
Please, Elena want to say it.
Okay, Elena?
I think what is 2,000 plus 500.
Excellent, Elena. That's my girl. Excellent, excellent. So one is paying attention. Excellent. I love that. So if you see, we had these different ways. So what if I write another like? Help me, Lipsy. How do I write the word form of this? Lipsy?
Six.
What? What is the word form? What is the word form?
Miss, I know. Miss,
Okay. Don't worry, Lipsy. We are learning. Everybody's in here learning. Okay? Andrea?
I think that is 512.
If you see, you're gonna write 500.
512.
12. Okay, so into expanded form.
512?
Plus 12, right? So
We don't have too much time.
I know, guys, I know what is the time of the class is gonna end, okay? So I'm going to tell you something right